Ramavatara is a Purna Avatara of Sri Vishnu, and today is his Thiru Avatara Day, Navami Tithi in the month of Chitra. It gives us all good virtues to think of Tirukalyana Gunas of Sri Rama. Rama has the great Tirukalyana Guna, Saulabhya, a great quality. It allows his true devotees to treat Rama as his friend, as his father, as his mother, as a guru, and as a bharta. And it also allows his true devotees to scold him, to cajole him, and to love him, and whatever they want they can do. Sri Tyagaraja, in his Kriti, Adamodi Kalata in Charukesi, asked Sri Rama why he is not talking to him. He further says he had not talked even to Anjaneya, a Navavyagrita Pandita. He asked Sri Lakshmana to talk to Sri Anjaneya when they met at Rishimugha Parvata for the first time. This is a beautiful Kriti in the Raga Charukesi. Veena Gana Manjariயின் உறுப்பினரான ஸ்ரீமதி ராஜஸ்ரீ செந்தில் சாருகேசி ராகத்தில் ஆதிதாளத்தில் இந்த கிருதியை வீணையில் வாசிக்கிறார்கள். நாம் அனைவரும் கேட்டு ஸ்ரீராமரின் பரிபூர்ணமான அருளை பெறுவோமாக.